Hello, this is Miss Terry, and today I'm going to deliver to you a short presentation on how to succeed in your business mock examination. I will start with what you need to know. You'll be sitting 2 pages during your mocks. These are both written papers. Each paper is worth 90 marks and will be the equivalent of 50% towards your final grade. The Theme 2 paper will only have topics that you have learnt so far, and you will receive a revision list to help you prepare for both Theme 1 and Theme 2. Theme 1 is focused on investigating small businesses, and it will cover the following topic areas: enterprise and entrepreneurship, spotting a business opportunity, putting a business idea into practice, making the business effective, and understanding external influences on the business. In Theme 2, we focused on growing a business. This means that the only type of business ownership or legal structure that you need to focus on is a public limited company, which we know intend to be a large dominant business. Your Theme 2 mock examination will include growing the business and making marketing decisions. These will be the only topic areas that we will include in your mock examination. Both papers are structured exactly the same. Each has a section A, B, and C. Section A has no case study and therefore requires you to only prove your knowledge and understanding. Section B and C will include a case study. You cannot ignore the case study, as even a pupil with perfect knowledge and understanding can only achieve their potential by writing an answer that is in full context. There are 2 9-mark questions. This is a particularly important area for development, as during P2S1, many pupils in all 4 groups did not balance this answer correctly, meaning that the teacher was only able to award 3 or 4 marks. This resulted in a loss of 10 marks in each paper. This can mean the difference between 2 grades. We need to draw a line through the option that we wish to ignore and focus on constructing an answer that shows a positive of the chosen option and a negative of the chosen option. It is only the 9 and 12-mark questions that require balance, and this will make a big difference to your final mark if you are able to apply these techniques correctly. So, how should you prepare? Firstly, use the topic list that's been identified. What you don't feel confident in, make this your priority. Start at that point. A very simple strategy to focus on is the knowledge words or business vocabulary that you use in every single topic. Every topic on your revision list will have a number of key terms and vocabulary that you can use. This does not mean definitions. This means identifying the knowledge words or key words that prove to the examiner that you understand this topic. There should be in every sentence of your answer. Often, we are seeing a very general sentence. This does not prove that you understand or have knowledge of that topic. Keywords could be the area of focus that could increase your marks significantly. Review your P2S1 paper and books of excellence. You have marked and purple penned your assessments, and this is a really powerful tool for you to learn from. What marking code has appeared on most on your P2S? Is it context or is it specific knowledge? In order to improve, you must fully understand your areas for improvement and work on these skills. If we choose to keep revising in the same way, we will get the same outcome. This is why it is important to fully engage with your feedback. Attending intervention and other opportunities that your teacher will have informed you of is key. Use your lesson time wisely. We will allow time in lesson to prepare, but you also must commit some time outside of school in order to prepare for your mock examinations. Use these to help you and highlight areas for improvement. For your keywords and definitions, consider flashcards. These might help you with those tricky definitions or ones that you are struggling to understand. Exam practice questions. Focus your needs around what the examiner is looking for and what you want your award to look like. The more you practice, the easier you will find it. Make sure that you understand all of the command words that they require. 9 and 12-mark responses require balance. Section B and Section C require context, even for a 1-mark response, especially in your Section B and C. Please ensure you apply context even to 1-mark questions. Impact means a consequence. Be sure this is what you're providing if the question asks for an impact. If the question is asking for a benefit, impact, drawback, reason, method, or risk, be sure that you're aware what the question is asking before you respond. Your link to the sentence will develop the point that you have made. This will depend on the number of marks available for each question. You can achieve context marks by choosing not to write the word competitor or product. For example, if the case study was about EasyJet, you could say Ryanair and flight. Employees might be a flight attendant and customers would be passengers. These are quick and easy ways to improve your context. For higher level context, you would also need to use evidence and sentences from the case study to prove and link the points that you are making. What are the best resources? Your core knowledges for each subject have been broken down by themes. Class books, books of excellence, and also knowledge organisers are a great start that you can make, obviously, loads of improvements on. You have worked up and built lots of core knowledge over time. Don't ignore these, they are there for you and help support. When you're looking at external resources, please make sure you are always looking for Edexcel. Edexcel Business Studies is the only specification that we are looking at. So we are working, and it's so important for you to get the right information. There are alternative business studies, but please make sure it is Edexcel. The link on the website is also up there, so it's Business Ed. Please make sure you are going from 2017, otherwise you will be looking at old resources and they will not count for your grade. I also encourage you, as before, to use past exam papers, and if you need support, please let us know, as we will be able to provide many of these that we have available. So believe in yourself, work hard, and I look forward to supporting you along with my colleagues in the future. Best of luck to everyone. We have fantastic pupils in our business studies groups, and we know that you are more than capable of achieving your target grade and beyond for many of you. Good luck.